Dave, remember we talked about getting organized with our video kit for 2026?
We talk about this every year.
We do, but this time we have a little bit of help because we received a kit called the CRDBAG system. And this is gonna help us out with dividers for our Nanook case. We are gonna have a modular system. Everything's gonna be really labeled. I'm very excited about our new life with this bag.
It's a very interesting concept in how they put this all together. Because in the past, everybody loves, well, it's a love-hate with these kind of cases because they're the industry standard and they're indestructible and you can get them wet and you can kick them around, they're not going to get damaged, and they survive a working pro's lifestyle. But they've always had a problem with the pick and pluck style of foam, right? You can pick and pluck the foam, but once you picked and plucked,
I don't know if I can hear about picking and plucking anymore.
then you're done, right? And other dividing systems haven't really worked out that well and haven't been nearly as modular. But these guys have come up with a fantastic system.
Yeah, so this is the CRDBAG system, and the first thing is that we have these dividers that are customizable, that can be cut to size and installed in your bag using their grid system, and then there's a grid lid option as well. But how did you find like installing it and setting it up?
So it only took me maybe about 10 minutes to really set it up properly, right? You remove all the foam out of it, right? And then the double-sided tape, they all adhere to the edges, and then the bottom piece you have to cut to size for your particular case. And it didn't take that long at all. In just a few minutes, I was able to cut it out. A little artsy craftsy. It's not, it's kind of somewhat rewarding and satisfying after the fact. Everything fit in nice and perfect. But once it's in now, you can really see the potential of this because I can lay out my camera gear, and if it's not quite right, I can easily adjust it. And I love the fact that the internal dividers are bendy, so I can make them wrap around a lens if I want, or I can make it work however I want.
And you can kind of adjust them while they're in the bag.
And you can easily cut them to size. It's a very simple system that just works really well. You can tell that it was a working pro put this together, saying there's a need in the industry for a better organizer in these hard cases. Let's come up with this system, and they have, and I think it works really well.
Yeah, I think that it's clear that it's somebody that was sort of fed up with how organizational systems were for these bags because they have thought of everything. I really like how the dividers work in general, but I also like how they can incorporate these little brick bags for your gear. They have a labeling system with both embroidered Velcro labels, or you can do these little DIY cardboard labels to stick in there, really with organization in mind. And I really like this lid system as well. So one of the key things here is that if you're using this grid lid system, they have these clips, and there's two different kinds of clips. My favorite are the ones that have these little magnet locks because you can just pop them off really easily. And then there's even like a little belt attachment so you can put the pouch right on your belt. And if you have everything labeled with what you want, it's gonna make your working life really easy because you can just grab and go and work with this modular system in the way that you need.
No, that part's fantastic. If this is where I'm storing all my gear, but I'm actually taking it with me and using it, I'm not carrying the case with me, but I need to take that bag of audio gear or whatever with me. These little clips are fantastic with the magnet. I can put it onto a backpack strap, I can put it into a belt system. It's really modular, and it's designed, like I said, for the working pro.
Yeah, now we worked with kind of their miscellaneous patches #2 kit for organizing our stuff right now. We have sound, we have snacks, we have storage. Really, really handy.
Snacks are important. And then they have a somewhat boring one.
Yeah,
right,
labeling all your lenses, depending on the size of case. Maybe you have multiple cases. You want to have one that's just for your glass. It has some of the most popular focal lengths as well as the different mounts. And so again, you can kind of customize where everything is supposed to go. There's lots of different options. I also like these fun ones that have things like Mutant Ninja storage, snacks again. Obviously, whoever designed all this really likes their snacks.
Yeah, we have, instead of AC/DC, it's HDMI, right? So that's pretty funny. It really shows kind of where this company is thinking, right? They're having a lot of fun with it, right?
Yeah, super fun, but also very practical as well. I also like some of the other practical accessories that you can get to further customize your bag, organize your straps and stuff. They have this cord strap kit that you can pick up with different sizes of cord straps, which are fantastic. I've actually used them to attach this little LED torch that you can get through the system as well. Gives you 3 different levels of brightness for your LED. Really great if you're in a pinch and you're in a dark area, you want to be able to change your gear, work with your kit, and you have this light that's like built into the lid.
Well, it's a nice touch. We've all been there where we've been shooting in a church or a dark environment, and suddenly you're like, I can't find anything, pulling out our phone. Here it's built into the case if I want to make it that way. It's very easy to work with. So you can tell this is designed by professionals for professionals.
Yeah, no, there's not too much that I don't like about this system. I did mention earlier that with these clips, I like the ones with the magnets more because it's really easy to pull it on and off. The other ones that you can get are these more simplified clips. They're relatively easy to put on, but it's not quite as seamless to get your stuff on and then put them back onto the bag there. You have to kind of wiggle it on, and I definitely think that the magnet system is the way to go. Yeah, overall, I'm liking the system. I think that for a professional that wants to really organize their kit in this way, have something that's a little bit more kind of tactical, really has all of your different customizations in mind. I think that this is worthwhile. Definitely a more premium product, but it feels premium as well.
100%. It's designed, like I said, by pros, for working pros, and it's going to last you a long, long time. The quality of the bags, the fact that we have, a nice, see-through bags for our gear, but we can also label what's on the outside of our bag so we can see visually what's inside here, really just lends itself to productivity.
But of course, we want to know, what do you guys think of the CRDBAG system? Is this something you're interested in? Are you hoping to get your kit organized this year too? Let us know in the comments below.
Make sure you follow us both on Instagram.
And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's been Dave and Evelyn from the Camera Store with the CRDBAG.